Hey folks, so Nike stock is trading higher today by about 5% or about 4.6% after the announcement that Tim Cook, yes, Apple CEO, he bought about 50,000 shares of Nike Class B common stock in an open market transaction worth about 2.95 million, and he bought them at an average price of $58.97 per share. This insider purchase was reported in a filing and signals confidence in Nike amid its recent challenges. So for Nike, they've been actually facing some challenges with their sales in China. So China used to be one of their key growth driver, but unfortunately they've been down by about 17% from a year ago. And also on top of that, to add to the fuel, we've got the tariffs and their impact on Nike because, as you know, they manufacture most of their products in Vietnam and Indonesia. And after the tariffs imposed by President Trump, they're facing about, or they announced, they actually might be paying about 1.5 billion just in tariffs in 2026. That's their projection. And all that is putting pressure on Nike. But after this announcement, it looks like the stock is trading higher because it's encouraging for people to buy in. So for Tim Cook, because he's a non-employee director, he receives part of his annual board compensation in the form of Nike restricted stock awards. And this is typically around 175,000 to 180,000 in value. Plus, he receives cash retainers. And Nike, they have a policy, they're encouraging the directors to own Nike stock, and they require non-employee directors to hold shares worth at least 5 times their annual cash retainer within 5 years of joining the board. And Tim Cook has been with the Nike since 2005, like a Nike board. So he's been there for quite some time, and there are reports that prior to this purchase, that Tim Cook had about 31,000 shares of Nike, so he added to those. So this is actually good news for Nike, and it's pushing the stock higher. We'll see. Thank you for watching.